Hello everyone, I'm Jane Chiu and I'm with VP Lim today. Today I would like to interview VP Lim on his business where he specializes in upholstery cleaning services. All right?
Hi, I'm VP from Bilabila Cleaning. We are the professional upholstery cleaning company. We tackle all sorts of stain and dirt, making sure all of them are well maintained and preserved. Today, we are going to take a sneak peek into an office cleaning project. Step 1, we'll perform a vacuum to remove all the dust. Step 2, we will apply water and also specific fabric detergent onto the office chair. Step 3, we'll perform a steam brushing to kill the germs, dust mite and also bacteria. Step 4, we will brush off the dirt and stain. And last step will be performing wet extraction to remove all the dirt and stain from the office chair.
VP, tell us what is so special about your business.
Okay, well, first, our business are 100% local. So, from the management until the cleaning crew, we are all local staff. Okay, support us as in support Malaysia.
Thank you, VP, for the short interview. I find that VP has a very good value proposition where he, only utilize the locals to deliver the cleaning services to his client. If you are interested to find out more about his business, do get his contact at the comment. See you and bye.